Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam games not launching. I'll be showing you different ways on how you can do that, but hopefully by the end of this video, we'll have that game up and running. First way would be go to Steam app, then go to library. On the left panel, under the game list, find the game that isn't launching. Right-click on that game and then go to Properties. You'll see this pop up, and from here, go to Local Files or Installed Files. We have to select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now it will start the process, and once it's done, try and see if that fixes the issue. If not, second way we could try would be clearing the Steam game cache. So to do that, go to the top left and click Steam option. Now click Settings, and then go to Downloads. From here, let's find Clear Download Cache. So it says here clearing the download cache might resolve the issues downloading or starting apps. So go ahead and click on it and just click OK. It will close out Steam and will update, and as soon as it's done, it will relaunch. Now it may ask you to log back in. Once you're back in here, go to your library, launch your game, and try to see if it has fixed the issue. Now, if that doesn't work, third way we can do is you have to check and see if your drivers are up to date. Do some quick research and update your drivers if they're not updated. Now, if your drivers are up to date, fourth way that we can do is restarting the computer. So just go to the bottom left corner of your screen, hit that Windows icon, and just click on here and click restart. Last but not the least, we'll have to uninstall and reinstall the game. So to uninstall a game, go to Steam's library, find the game you want to uninstall, right-click on it, and then go to Manage. Now click the uninstall button and just confirm it again to completely uninstall. Even if you have uninstalled the game, it would still be on your library game list. So just click on the game and you should see the install button here. And that's it. That's how you fix Steam games not launching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.